In this guide, we'll show you how to wire a Pureline Easy Fit for a 230-volt circuit. Tools you'll need. Step 1. Remove the drive display. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, remove these 4 screws. Step 2. Unplug the display cable. Press the cable's locking latch, then pull up to remove it safely from the board. Step 3. Connect the conduit. Connect the conduit and its liquid tight fitting to the motor's control box, then pull the wires through the conduit. Step 4. Prep your wire ends. Using your needle nose pliers, bend the wire ends into a candy cane shape to ensure solid contact with the terminals. Step 5. Connect the ground wire. Using your 1/4-inch nut driver, loosen the green screw, connect the ground wire, then retighten the ground screw. Step 6. Connect the power wires. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, loosen the screws on terminals L1 and L2. Connect one wire to L1 and one wire to L2, then retighten both terminal screws. Step 7. Replug the display into the motor's PCB. Step 8. Reinstall the display. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, tighten the 4 screws to reinstall the drive display. That covers the steps for wiring the Pureline Easy Fit pump for 230 volts. If you have any additional questions, visit us at inyopools.com.